Hey, my name is Rebecca Felber, and today I want to share with you an opportunity for hope. This is a piece of hope that I believe can really affect your life during these uncertain times. If you or someone you know is struggling to find employment during the coronavirus because either their work is closed right now or they teach school and the school is shut down right now, then this video is for you or for you to share with them to provide hope. I teach for a company that is one of Forbes' top 100 companies for remote employees. I work at home teaching ESL online, and you do not have to be a teacher to get hired with my company, VIPKID. Working for VIPKID is the perfect job for you right now if you are staying home with your children because their school is out, or if you're temporary out of work because of the effects of the coronavirus. They require no time commitment. I have worked for the company for nearly a year now, and currently I work 5 days a week and I teach 3 hours each day. So at just 5 days a week, 3 hours each day, I make more than enough money to cover my mortgage. So if you or someone you know is interested in making up to $22 an hour right now, then definitely stay tuned or send them my way. VIPKID has some requirements for their teachers. They require that you have a bachelor's degree, and it can be in any field. It does not have to be teaching related. They also require that you are eligible to work in the United States or Canada. Now, you have to be a legal worker of the United States or Canada, but you can work anywhere around the world. I know a teacher right now who is currently stuck in Italy, but she's able to make money, able to bring in a steady paycheck because she works for VIPKID. VIPKID also wants you to have 2 years experience working with children. This does not have to be teaching related. 2 years experience maybe nannying or volunteering with children, mentoring, coaching. They just want that the sum of your experience equals 2 years. I would be so honored to help you get hired. I will be here for you to answer your questions, to cheer you on through the hiring process, to help you get established as a new teacher. You can use my referral code in this video's description, or if you'd like to apply on the company's website, then use my link when you apply. And if you do either of those things, be sure to email me, because when you email me, I am able to send you free resources. I have so many printable things that I use every day in my classroom, and I will send them to you. I also offer this one-on-one assistance as you go through the hiring process. I'll answer your questions, cheer you on, be a support as you're discovering and learning something new. From the day I applied to the day I started teaching was 2 weeks, but VIPKID has changed their hiring process to make it much faster. There's something called a smart demo, which accelerates that interview process, and I have a video linked after this one regarding that. And so that makes the hiring process much faster, so you can plan on it taking less than 2 weeks, maybe even just a week or a week and a half. I know of a teacher who went through the whole process in 24 hours. That's really fast. So it's possible. It is possible to go from applying to teaching very, very quickly. 2 weeks may not seem like enough time when schools are only out for 2 weeks currently, but we don't know how long the effects of the virus are going to last. My students in China have been out of school for nearly 2 months now, and they don't plan to go back for 6 more weeks. This is such a long time to be out of school, and we don't know if the same time frame is going to be upon us in America soon or not. So go ahead and apply, because the 2 weeks or the week will pass faster than you think, and it will be nice to know you have this backup income. If you were to start applying for jobs, working on resumes, writing cover letters, going to interviews, it's likely that that will take at least 2 weeks as well, if not more. And with VIPKID, you get to stay home. So if you need to stay home with your children right now because they are out of school, you can do that. You can stay home with them, and you can teach in the mornings or the evenings, or teach all night long if you like, so that you're here for them during the day. Because the students in China have been out of school so long, they're taking extra English classes online. My regular students are taking more classes than they usually do during their school year. So this is a great time to be teaching online because there is a demand for teachers. There's a demand for classes. I so enjoy teaching online. I teach 25-minute classes with one-on-one with a student, and VIPKID provides all of my class materials for me. So it's my job to present the information. They do it in a very simple way. It's easy for the teachers without lesson planning. If you have any further questions or any concerns about teaching with VIPKID, feel free to email me. I'd be happy to answer your questions and then to help you get hired and walk you through the hiring process and help you become an established teacher. So be sure to follow the link in this video's description to apply, or apply that referral code REBEC0945 when you get to that point of the application on VIPKID's website. But after you do either of those things, email me so I can connect with you and I can send you the freebies and help you get started as a new teacher. Share this video with someone who needs to know that there's hope in these possibilities, that they can stay home during these uncertain times with their children and still bring in an income. This is such a great opportunity right now because there are so many unknowns, and we do not know how long the effects of the coronavirus will be here in America or in Canada. So share this with someone who needs the encouragement. If this video gave you hope, then give it a like. And if you'd like to learn a little more about teaching ESL online, then be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because every week I share new content about teaching online with VIPKID. Stay safe, my friends.